Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jennifer Abney.
And I'm Rob Macco. More people are turning to the computer or some sort of electronic device now for their health care.
And while it might not always be an easy transition, many of those who have tried it ended up liking it, which could mean big changes for healthcare facilities in the future. 13 News reporter Lily Bradley explains.
Health experts say we will definitely see a greater emphasis on telehealth care in the future. Here in the Mountain State, the Hershel Woody Williams VA Medical Center has seen a huge increase in telehealth calls, and they expect that trend to continue. For more than 10 years, the VVC, or the VA Video Connect, has allowed veterans and their caregivers at the Hershel Woody Williams VA Medical Center to meet virtually with their team of doctors. But it wasn't until earlier this year that the program saw a 320% increase.
This has really been something that they're looking forward to even in the future, past the pandemic.
Rose Pollard is a therapist who works with general mental health. She says the increase in telehealth calls was an adjustment at first, but something she and her veterans have gotten used to and fond of.
As I'm talking to my veterans about it, I acknowledge this is a new thing. We can try it, see if we like it. If we don't, we can plan B. But allowing them to try that really gives them, we want them to have their preferences and needs met.
Something that's true on a national scale as well. The U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs recently announced that video telehealth appointments to veterans' homes increased over 1,000% throughout the pandemic. But with any virtual work, there are barriers when it comes to technology, especially in more rural parts of an already rural state.
In a rural community, some folks don't have access to high-speed internet. There's a lot of different barriers and challenges that the VA is troubleshooting and working through.
Right now, the VA is working on a team to help veterans set up the technology. They've already provided nearly 150 iPads to veterans across the state, while advocating for increased access to technology on a national level. And if you'd like to learn more about the Hershel Woody Williams VA Medical Center or telehealth options, you can head to our website, WOWKTV.com. In the Charleston studio, I'm Lily Bradley, 13 News, working for you.
Lily,